yield and solving for percent yield. You need two variables when you're solving for percent yield. The first is theoretical, and the second is your actual yield. A theoretical yield is the amount of product that would result if all the limiting reagents reacted. It's what you think you will get or what your limiting reactant actually is. Typically, the theoretical yield you get from solving the actual equation or doing a stoichiometry problem or any other type of problem, it's done mathematically because it's what you theoretically should get. The actual yield is the amount of product that is obtained from the actual reaction. So what do you get for a product in an experiment, or what do you actually get from doing the lab, what you actually obtained? After you have a theoretical and an actual, you can put them both in. You can do actual yield divided by theoretical yield, multiply it by 100 to get a percent, and that will give you your percent yield. The percent yield will tell you how effective an actual chemical reaction was and the proportion of the actual to a theoretical yield. So let's pause the video, get a calculator, something to write with, and do some practice problems. All right, we're going to do a practice percent yield problem. Just a reminder, the formula is actual over theoretical times 100, okay? So if we read the problem, it says a reaction with a calculated yield of 9.23 grams produced 7.89 grams of product. What is the percent yield for this reaction? So we can fill this in. It says it's a calculated yield. Anything calculated is always your theoretical, what you should actually get. If it produced, that is your actual. So produced, or what you did in lab, that's always your actual because what you actually did. So then you can divide them and multiply by 100. So 7.89 divided by 9.23 times 100, and we get 85.48%, and that is how accurate you were for your lab. If you have any more questions or want more problems, check in with your teacher.